Hi everyone, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. It's time for us to have a serious talk about WhatsApp. With over 1 billion users, it's considered to be the most successful and most popular messenger out there. But does it actually deserve that kind of success? We have taken a look at alternatives, and it turns out most of them are actually better in one way or the other. Don't believe me? Let me show you what I mean. WhatsApp identifies you only by your phone number. This may sound a little scary to some of you, as of course this method of identification is not anonymous. Even though WhatsApp may not be able to ask your provider for your full name, it could easily find out this information via the parent company Facebook, Alternative, Threema and others. This messaging service uses the good old username and password combination to log in. You can find your contacts quicker using your phone number, but you don't have to if you wish to have that extra security and to remain anonymous. It's also worth mentioning that Wire and SureSpot require username and password too, so if you would prefer this, I'd recommend you switch to one of these apps. WhatsApp runs on only one device at a time. If you want to run WhatsApp on a tablet or log into it on your PC and stay logged in, then unfortunately WhatsApp is not a great option, as you can't log in on a second phone or other device simultaneously. Alternative, Messenger with server-side synchronization. Telegram, Facebook Messenger or Google Hangouts are the best alternative for this. Once you're logged in, all chats and draft messages are perfectly synchronized on all your devices. WhatsApp Web is a disaster. While other providers only offer a single authentication by QR code to let you chat without your phone, WhatsApp Web is basically an extension to the app. There are some connection issues, for example if you're using a mobile data connection. If your battery shuts down, WhatsApp Web will be deactivated. You cannot use WhatsApp Web on multiple PCs at the same time. The data that is stored is unsafe. WhatsApp for Android stores the data where it shouldn't be stored. Instead of the data partition, it is stored in the SD card partition and therefore will be visible via other apps with access to that file. If you want to keep your photos and information private, this is not the best place for it to be. This pretty much makes the end-to-end encryption feature useless. Alternative, hide images or save them somewhere else. Unfortunately, in this case, even though alternatives don't behave much better. Telegram also saves your photos in the shared memory. There is a way to hide them with a no media file in the directory. Only Threema hides the images in a place that is not accessible by anything else. Sent messages cannot be edited. Recently, WhatsApp did make your lives a little easier by adding the option to delete messages so that the recipient cannot see it, but if you simply want to change something, you will need to delete and rewrite your message again. Alternative, Telegram or Skype. Multiple other messengers like Telegram or Skype offer the option to edit messages after sending them. The group chat feature is poor. This feature is not as amazing as it seems. It is actually pretty bad for your privacy. For example, everybody can see your phone number. There's only one main administrator, which means that they are able to change the rights of other admins. And finally, groups cannot be closed before all members quit or manually close groups. Alternative, Slack. Slack is a multi-channel, professional and efficient messaging service which I recommend instead of WhatsApp if you want to take advantage of the group chat features. But here's the thing, if a service like WhatsApp is as big and as popular as it is right now, it's hard to move on. Everyone is using WhatsApp. Even if another app is better, people are not going to use it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.